my channel is Naya C. So if you're new to my channels, hey girl, subscribe. Today's video is for a 21 question get to know me tag, and let's get started. So I have all the questions here in my little handy dandy notebook. All right, so let's go. Question number 1, what is your favorite color? So I would say I like pink, and then I love gold. Gold is like an element, but I like gold. Who was your first best friend? Question number 2. My first best friend, well, I thought was my first best friend, was this girl I was in school with in 5th grade, and I said to her, mind you, this is 5th grade. I said to her, "Oh, you're my best friend," and she was like, "Am I?" Because Carmen is my best friend, and I was like, "Girl, so we ain't friends because you're not about to play me like that. Like, I'm not about to be out here saying you my best friend and you over here talking about Carmen's your best friend. Like, it don't work that way." Anyways, that was 5th grade. Third question is your favorite moment in high school. So I loved high school, period. Like, I think that was the favorite time of my life. But favorite moment, it's just one memory I have that I will never forget, and it's when it was like lunchtime and I was probably like in 11th grade, and then everybody was fighting for some reason. Like, there was a fight here, a fight there. Literally, these fights was at one time. So it was a fight there, a fight there, a fight behind me, a fight aside from me, and I'm like, what's going on? So I'm wearing my flats and I'm sliding from fight to fight because, girl, I'm trying to be in the mix. I'm trying to see what's going on. Why everybody fighting? My ideal breakfast. This is question number 4. My ideal breakfast would consist of waffles, scrambled eggs, turkey bacon, and cinnamon rolls. The cinnamon rolls with the frosting on it, girl, that will put me right back to sleep. Okay, that breakfast is the perfect combo. Question number 5, my favorite movie. I don't really have a favorite movie, honestly, but the movie I like watching, I could always watch, is an old-time movie called Baps. If you know about Baps, girl, like this video, okay? With Halle Berry in it. Question number 6, where did you grow up? So I grew up in Brooklyn, New York, okay? If you know about Brooklyn, New York, like this video, you should. Anyways. Question number 7, who is my best friend now? Okay, I can say I have 2 best friends. So my best friend, number 1, Jamal, my boyfriend, and Leanne, that's my girl. Hey girl. Question number 8, when is your birthday? So my birthday is December 8th. That's like probably 5 more months. Yeah, I should probably do a vlog for that, but let's see, because y'all know I be doing my own thing sometimes. All right, question number 9, have you ever met a celebrity? I have met a celebrity. I met a few celebrities, and they cool. The one celebrity I did meet, and I will never forget her experience, because she was acting like the only brat. Like, she was snappy, she was rude, she was mad disrespectful, and I don't play them games with nobody, okay? I don't care what you think your name is, but it's not happening with me, okay? So, like, we had not like a full back and forth, but I had to like put in her place and let her know, like, this is not, you're not gonna come to my job and treat me and talk to me like you crazy, because it's not happening, okay? So her security guard or whatever was like, "Oh, I apologize for how she acted. You know, my apologies. We just had a long day." I said, "It's no problem. I had a long day too." Got it? That was it. But yeah, that was my experience. It was when I was working in Macy's a few years ago. Let's see. Next question. Question number 10. How old are you? So I am 23 years old. Question number 12. What did you want to be when you were younger? When I was younger, girl, I wanted to be a fashion designer, and nobody couldn't tell me nothing. Like, I had a sewing machine, and I used to make dresses out of like a pillowcase. I don't know how I used to do that, but I did. Like, I had the 1-strap dress, I had the double strap dress, girl. I had the off the shoulder type of dress. I don't know how I did that, now that I think about it, but girl, I did it, and I was mad hype, and I probably was like 10 at the time. Question number 13, my first name. My first name is Shania, Shania. I always spell my name out when people ask me my name. I don't know why. I just don't want you to get it wrong. Shania. Anyways, question number 14, how tall are you? I am 5'3". I think that's like, no, that's not average height. I think for females, average height is like 5'4" or 5'5" or something. So I'm kind of close. Question number 15, my zodiac sign is a Sagittarius. That is a half man, half horse. I don't know. He got an arrow on his hand, something like that. But that's me, girl, Sagittarius. But anyways, what do you do in your free time? This is question number 16. In my free time, I noticed in my free time, I like doing research on stuff. So I like researching stuff, and then I like going on clothing websites like Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, little boutiques. I'm always on there just looking at new styles and trends and stuff. So yeah, I think that's what I do. Yeah, that's what I do in my free time for the most part. Or I'm like catching up on like reality TV stuff, because you know I got to watch. I gotta see what's going on. I love the hip hop, girl. I gotta see what's going on Basketball Wives. I gotta see what's going on Black Ink. Like, come on, this is like Black reality TV, okay? Question number 17. If you was drunk, who would take care of you? If I was drunk, I know for sure Jamal will take care of me, and I know for sure Leanne will take care of me. Period. Okay? Question number 18, what tattoos do you have? So I have 3 tattoos. This is my first tattoo. It says, in everything give thanks. My second tattoo right here, blessed. And then I have one more tattoo where it says sisters, and it has her birthday and the Roman numerals. That's my third tattoo. So 3 tattoos. Question number 19, single or taken? Taken, girl, period. Taken, okay? Question number 20, my favorite holiday. My favorite holiday is Thanksgiving, because, girl, I like to eat. Like, I like the feast. I like mad food. I like everything. I just like to eat. So that's my favorite holiday, I think. Question number 21. Last but not least. That's what Tyra Banks used to say on America's Next Top Model. But question number 21. Meaning behind my YouTube name. So my YouTube name is Naya C. Like I said, my first name is Shania. So Naya. My middle name is Ciara with the C. So C. Naya C. That's it. And thanks for watching this video, y'all. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe. Got it? Good. Thanks for watching.